The best plants to fight cold and flu.
Always. Echinacea. If you want to get rid of a cold and flu, use echinacea. I know you're currently in bed, so you may not get it, but echinacea is your friend. And also make use of osha. Osha will get rid of any kind of respiratory infections. Amazing, amazing stuff. Okay? And of course, elderberry. So what I just showed you, the four sets, is something that you always have to have in your home. Whenever you have a cold-like, flu-like symptoms, you take them, you'll be fine. You can find this on my website. It's called the Home Immunity Kit. Everybody should have this. And if you want to buy someone a gift, it comes in a four package with droppers. Make sure you get it. It's called the Home Immunity Kit. MiraHerbals.info. Live10 is a code. You get 10% off. It's a gift, truly. You must have this in your home all the time. Whenever you don't feel right, you have these four. Okay? But I hope you get better soon. And also, don't eat any heavy foods for your fever, or go on lemon juices, broths, and stay and rest. You get over the cough and the cold and the flu. Okay.